In this video, we'll be unboxing the Yoo Cube Eco, which comes signed by Cubehead himself for a limited amount of time. The cube comes with this collector's card, which shows the specifications that this cube is set up to, and a nice little graphic that was designed by Cubehead himself. Opening up the box, you get the Yoo Cube Eco itself with a cubicle cube stand, and the normal accessories that you get with the RS3M 2020. Opening up the accessories box, you get a few pamphlets, you get a Moe screwdriver, and some tools to adjust the spring compression system, which are the accessories that just normally come with the RS3M 2020, which is the base cube of the Yoo Cube Eco. So taking off the packaging, the first thing you're greeted with is a card that shows that the cube is scrambled in, which is Cubehead's PB Scramble. It also comes with an extra logo for the cube. Alright, let's see what time we can get with this scramble. So, not the worst solve in the world, but it definitely should have been a better solve because the scramble was amazing. Alright, so now that I have the cube out of the packaging, I want to talk a little bit about it. So first things first, it feels absolutely amazing. It's super smooth, and it has that classic Yoo Cube feel. I really like the Mystic Dignitas mix in this cube, and I'm a huge fan of this setup. This cube also performs really well. It's an RS3M 2020, which is one of my favorite cubes ever, and yeah, just the way it's set up is really great for me. And I think that this is probably my favorite RS3M 2020 setup that I've ever tried, maybe excluding the one that I made myself, but I would still use this as my main if I didn't like the Tornado V2 so much. But yeah, it's a great cube, and I definitely recommend it if you are on a tighter budget, but you still want a really nice cube. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much to all of you guys for watching. Thank you so much to the Cubicle for making this video possible. This has been Cubing for Fun, and I'll catch you in the next one.